Hello, it's your queen of entertainment, Tatelicious Restore, your Zimbabwean queen. And today I just want to say to all my big, bodylicious women, baby, don't lose the confidence. I know a lot of women who are big nowadays, they're afraid to even go to work, to even go out partying, even to go to the shops because they are, just a little few extra pounds. We call it a few extra pounds in our world. Baby, you rock. Please, don't look down upon yourself. Don't compare your body to other people's bodies. They don't know your struggle. And we don't know their struggles also. So baby, big is beautiful, big is bold, big is sexy, and big is confidence. Are the queen of entertainment, the Zimbabwean queen, say so. So just go forward, baby. Rock your body, slay with your body. Show them that it takes a queen to know what is big is beautiful. So I'm going to dance this song for you, my big, beautiful women. Boost your confidence. Lift up your confidence because the world needs you. Okay. Let's go, big, beautiful woman. Get him up. 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 Big beautiful woman, don't lose your hope, baby. Get him up, 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 get him up. Oh, you are beautiful, baby. Show them that you rock. Hit it, mama, hit it, mama. Take your body. I love you so much, and keep on being